Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we're going to demonstrate where to find the paint code on Dodge vehicle. Now we'll show you two vehicles, two Dodge vehicles and where to find the paint code. Now almost all of them will be that way, past probably 2009 I believe, maybe some even before that. One vehicle that we're gonna show you here on Dodge Journey guys, Dodge Journey 2012 model, the same vehicle all the way from 2009 to 2019. So all Dodge vehicles guys will have their paint, paint label usually available once you open your driver's door. When you open the driver's door, you need to locate a label, that looks like this one. Let me show you now, right here. Here's a label that says Chrysler Group, the manufacturer date as well. You have a tire information here, barcode, and right under the barcode, guys, if you come right here, it's going to say paint code. That's your exterior paint right there, paint PXR. The one that says trim, this is your interior paint. Now, this is your exterior. So that's where you find your exterior paint. Let's go and show you on another Dodge vehicle now to see where it will be available as well. Now guys, we have this 2015 Dodge Dart and we're going to demonstrate that the paint code is located exactly at the same place. Once you open your door, you're going to locate that label. The label with the barcode. Remember, it's going to say Chrysler Group LLC. You have all the information there, the barcode, and right under the barcode it's the paint code right here. It says PW7. That's your paint code, that's your trim code. So every Dodge vehicle guys, I believe past 2008, maybe even before that, should be that way. So thank you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.